7 YouTube automation sub niches with high CPM rates. Alright, let's get straight into the video. So the first niche I would like to talk to you about is affiliate marketing. Alright, so I'll show you an example on my channel. When you check the CPM on this particular video, it's $121.53, which is really high. And the RPM is $68.35, meaning this is what advertisers are willing to pay on my video, and this is what I'll get after YouTube cut 45% of this amount. So each time I get 1,000 views on this particular video, this is what I will get, and this is what advertisers are willing to pay. But one thing you have to realize is the affiliate marketing niche or the make money online niche, we don't really get much views, but the CPM and the RPM, they are really high. So I will show you a typical example. When you look at this, actually, I don't have the product name, but I will show you something quick. Because I don't have the product name, see, the CPM is low because this is like general, okay? It's like best software, even though this is a good CPM and good RPM, but I'll show you another one. If you try to be specific about the product, let's say, for instance, when I go in and I click here, 58, okay, it's a bit higher, okay, compared to the first one. Now it's because I'm not getting more views on that, that's why, but I'll show you another one. Even this one, CPA grip, okay, which is about affiliate marketing, is 41 as well. Finance girl, she is into affiliate marketing and make money online. These are some of her videos, and 3 days ago she has 399 views so far. And like I said earlier on, this type of niche, which is the make money online, we don't get much views, but hey, the CPM is really good. All right, so go in just for you to have it. All right, so skip
Have you
the
ever
ad.
heard of
All
the
right, so
online
just for you
tool
to know that
can
there's
get you
an
to
ad
earn
on
hundreds
it
of
as well.
dollars without doing anything?
So this is one of the channels I want to show you. So let's check her on Social Blade. All right, she's making between $318 to $5,000. Okay, and based on my experience, I know she's making more than this. She's making like times 2 to 3 of this amount each month. All right, so that should tell you that the affiliate marketing niche is really huge. Now let me show you another channel. This is Nick. Okay, make money online. And the next one I would like to show you is Smart Money Tactics. And the reason why I want to show you this guy is really consistent. Okay, similar to this guy, okay, Dave Nick. I really like their zeal, like how consistent they are when it comes to this business. Okay, they are always uploading, and which is really good. So I would advise you to get some inspiration from them. The next sub niche is nursing, which is under the health niche. So it's not just about how to lose weight, keto diet, how to lose belly fat and stuff like that. This is another huge niche that you can look into, and it's really good. So when you take this guy as an example, his channel focuses mainly on nursing. All right, so let's check. I don't need to show you the video, but let's check how much this guy is making on TikTok, Instagram. All right, so you don't have to be just on YouTube. You have to promote yourself on other social media networks. See, he's making between 423 to 6,800, and like I said, he's making about 2 to 3 times this a month. All right, so this is another good career I would like you to look into. All right, and see, in the last 30 days alone, 33 million views. All right, so this is another big sub niche to look into. Places to travel. Okay, this is a very good sub niche, and if you are into traveling and stuff like that, trust me, this is the best niche to look into. And I have a sample here. You can even do this yourself. All you need is a voiceover, which you can use text to speech AI machines and stuff like that, or you can outsource on Fiverr, Upwork, Washington Places. Okay, so go in it, and as you can tell, boom, there's an ad showing right away. Okay, so I will skip. See, Toropia presents, and this is stock photo. Trust me, like these are all free. You can get that on Pesos.
But the evergreen
This is so cool. You can get the images here, photos, videos, and stuff like that. Some of them you have to pay. So moving on, the next sub niche I would like to talk to you about is the trading and investment sub niche. And believe it or not, this is highly saturated, but trust me, if you know what you are doing, you can excel. An example, these are example channels So the main thing is the cryptocurrency, but you can teach people on how to invest properly. Okay. And as you can tell, we have a whole bunch of them. The Bitcoin, yeah, this guy is really good too. It's one of the best. So as you can tell, the search volume 74%, but the competition is really high. So when you click on it, shift it, see cryptocurrency for beginners. You can create a channel and focus on educating beginners to the investment niche. Even currency trading, currency news, all these things, you can create a sub niche about it. Yeah, and even Elon Musk, like that is another sub niche, but it's highly saturated. But you can break through if you know what you are doing. All right, so the next one I would like to talk about is drop shipping. And this needs no introduction. You can make a whole lot of money with drop shipping. You have to niche down. So let's say drop shipping with Shopify or drop shipping with Amazon. So you just have to be specific, okay? Don't try to be all over the place. And even when you go drop shipping with Shopify, you can also niche down. Let me show you something. So drop shipping, then drop shipping for beginners. See, drop shipping with AliExpress, Shopify, and the list goes on. Even Amazon is here. Drop shipping challenges. So there are a whole bunch of things. So let me just go into this because this is what people are so used to. All right. So you see this guy? This is 2 years ago, but it's still raining. So let's move on. All right. So the next one I would like to talk to you about is the self-help and personal development sub niche. All right. So this basically revolves around law of attraction. Okay. So let me try and find one. Self-help. Okay. All right. So why self-improvement is ruining your life. Okay. And self-help, what went wrong? Why self-help will not change your life? Okay, some of these things are just easy. It's just information driven content. Okay, 8 simple self-help improvement principles. Views, okay, 18 views per hour, which is really good. All right, the toxic word of self-help, also called, stuff like that. So why self-help might be making you less happy. Okay. Now, apart from that, there is another one, self-improvement. Okay, self-improvement. Okay, this is also good. You can look into that. And on top of that, we have the main thing, which is law of attraction. This is the umbrella of it. So you just have to break it down. Okay, that's why I gave you the other two. All right. So as you can tell, this one, trust me, is saturated. It's not good, but you just have to break it. So even underneath, you have meditation, law of attraction, meditation. You have secret of law of attraction. You have a whole bunch of them. So you just have to look into it and dive deep. And this guy is a force to reckon with, Proctor Institute. So the last but not least is the tech review niche. So as you can tell, this is not just technology, but I broke it down to tech review. Now, under the tech review, you can still break it down to a specific product under the tech. So in this case, I'll use iPhone 14 as an example. I'll show you what I mean by that. Let's say Apple iPhone 14. All right. So this is the latest news, and that is one thing you have to take into consideration. They don't run out of content because there's always something to talk about. So see, iPhone 14, do you need to upgrade? All right. And one day ago, still 313 per hour views, okay, which is good. Look at the search volume, 95%, which means it's good. The competition is high, but don't worry, do your best to create what people are looking for or provide the information that people are looking for. That's the right way to do it. And this is Apple themselves, 35,000 per hour. All right. And Marcus Brownlee, 24,000 per hour. All right. And this guy, trust me, this guy is really big. Let's go into his channel. Yeah. Let's check him out. See. Let's see.
These are not a new pair
What
of
he's
jeans.
doing. This is art, of course. So this is
HD here, coming at you from a
this is
hotel
what
room
he
in
does.
Kino,
When
California.
you
Because
talk
today
about
was Apple's September
tech,
event, and this is your
guy
first look, your
is
hands-on,
really big. Let
and
me
your
pause
impression.
it and let's check how much he's making. See, he has 16.1 million subscribers. And let's check his CPM. Let's check how much this guy is making on Social Blade. All right, so let's check him out. Look at that. According to Social Blade, this guy is making $165,000 a month. And trust me, he's making way more than this. But the Marcus Brownlee is a big entity right now. It's not just him. The channel is for him, but now he has team, so that's why he can sell good. All right, so that's one thing you should take into consideration along the line. Try and develop a team or create a team to back it up. That way you'll be able to create content the way you want. All right, and just look at this one, 32.95 million views each month. All right, so the tech niche is huge, huge. You cannot underestimate the tech niche. All right, but if you are not into tech, please don't dive into it. Do what you are passionate about. Yeah, so these are some of the sub niches I would like to share with you. There are so many out there, but these ones are of a high CPM, so that's why I want to share with you. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.